to the track. Everything is good with the car?
Yeah, we're ready. Just waiting on track to be hot.
Okay. Now, did you actually check temperatures?
Yeah, it's a little bit hot today. We're in the 80s, and DA is not great. I mean, it's 1700 or so. So, you know, obviously we'd like it to be better, but we'll take it. 1700 will, you know, we'll give it our best today and see what it does.
So a great way to end the day.
Yeah, awesome. Back-to-back 8.7 passes. That's really what the goal was for me anyway. So I'm happy. You know, considering the setup on the car. I mean, we're running on 18s on Hoosiers, right? So I wasn't expecting to have like a super fast pass, but I really wanted an 8.7. So yesterday we did about 3 8-second passes. Today we did another 3 passes. So that's 6 passes back to back, and so I'm happy. And the car's running great. I'm gonna drive it home. So definitely a good day at the track.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ostar Motorsports channel. Now I have some exciting news. 944 horses on the TTRS. Tell me a little about that.
So, like I told you before, we have been testing these new products on the car, and they went really well. The car before made 844s or 840s, and now it made about 100 horsepower more. So we went to the dyno, tested them, everything looked well, so we went straight to the track.
Nice. Now I did see a crazy spike on the dyno. I think it was a 990 spike. What was that about?
Yeah, the auto shift, the car shifted on its own, and that's where the spike happens. But that's just not real. The car has 944 or so.
Okay, all right, nice. Now, as far as the track times went, how did you feel about the track times after this new product install?
Well, the track went really well. The car has been 890s or 890s before, and now it went 8.7s. So, unfortunately, I wasn't there myself. I had a family emergency, but the guys took it to the track and they did really well. The car went 8.8s the first hit. We did some tweaks and adjustments, and the car went 8.7s twice. So, we're feeling really good about it.
And this is all from this new product?
Yes, sir.
And
yeah, nothing changed. The only thing we have been doing is just testing this product. It's about to come out in probably like a week or 2.
That means we can't talk about it. That means we can't talk about it.
So we're gonna be releasing all the information, all the specs, and I think the community will be very excited. And I think everybody will just be able to do better in their own builds.
And I think it's great that this new product has been actually tested in the field, both on the dyno and on the track. How do you think it's going to perform on some of the builds out there?
Well, I think the fast guys are just going to get faster.
Yeah?
Yep.
Right.
I think so. I think everybody will be happy with the results.
Okay, cool. So stay tuned, guys, for the next video. As the next video, we're going to be doing some more dyno results with the TTRS and this new product, as we will unveil the new product. If you guys want to find out more information about some of the parts that are on the TTRS, feel free to reach out to us at ostarmotorsports.com.